Hello beautiful people, welcome back to another YouTube video. So I tried making chocolate chip mug cookie in microwave for 1 minute, and trust me, the cookie was so soft and moist that I couldn't stop myself from sharing this recipe. So first I have this coffee mug, and in this coffee mug I'm gonna add 30 grams of butter. First we're gonna melt this butter in the microwave for 15 seconds. Do not try to use oil because oil can hamper the taste of your cookie. So then I'm gonna add sugar. Add brown sugar. I added 2.5 spoon of brown sugar and half spoon of white sugar. If you don't have brown sugar, no problem, you can use white sugar. So here we go. Try to stir it as much as you can. I was holding the camera so I didn't show you, but try to mix it until the sugar gets dissolved, and then it's time to add some dry ingredients. I used only 2 dry ingredients, which was 1/4 spoon of baking powder and 3 spoons of self-rising flour, and then try to give it a mix by adding 30 ml of regular milk. Mix it well, and if you're having butterscotch chips or chocolate chips, do not forget to add them and just give it a nice stir. Drizzle some more chocolate chips and put this mixture into the microwave for 1 minute. After 1 minute, drizzle some more chocolate chips and enjoy your 1 minute mug cookie without eggs. And trust me, it was so soft and moist that I was surprised with such results. So do try this recipe, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and click the like button if you like the video, and share it with your friends. See you guys at the next episode, and thanks for watching this video.